Hey guys, Dr. David Stoker here in Los Angeles with our beautiful patient 5 weeks post-op after doing quite a few things to her face. We did a face and neck lift, eyelid surgery, fractional laser resurfacing of her face, neck, and chest, and she's doing beautifully. There's still a little bit of residual redness. I mean, it's going to get better over time, but I know she's just radiating joy from this procedure. She just looks in the mirror, it makes her happy, of course, but also she's been getting a lot of positive feedback from the world, which is always nice to hear. If you look, if you turn to the side and look at her incisions, now this is just 5 weeks out. You can see it's beautifully healed. Even this tiny little bit of natural wrinkling that we've got there, we're able to preserve that, which makes it look super discreet. You said yourself a little bit earlier that you couldn't even see your incisions, and I would agree with that. Without magnification, it's pretty tough to see them at this point. And 5 weeks is really early on, so it's fun to see you at this point. Your eyes are just radiant, just so beautiful. Your smile is really big, and that's what we like to see 5 weeks post-op.